Hi there! In this tutorial, we'll take a look at how you can adjust the look and feel of your SimplyBook.me booking page. Our platform comes with a number of ready-to-use templates, which can be further customized to suit your brand and create a unique layout. Let's navigate to the settings page and go to themes and colors. You can take a look at the available templates by clicking Show All Themes. Simply click on a template to choose it. Right off the bat, we would like to point out that you will be able to preview any changes you make before saving them. This can be done at the very bottom of the page. You can even preview what your booking page will look like on a tablet or a mobile device. Let's get back to the design settings. You can upload a logo and a banner image by clicking on the respective icons and choose the alignment options. The color settings section allows you to adjust the colors of specific elements. You can also choose from among the available color palettes. If you want to adjust the booking page calendar layout, you can do this in timeline settings. Once again, you can try out various timeline types using the preview at the bottom of the page. The date picker type will determine how your clients can navigate between dates. You can adjust the time frame if you want to decrease the time intervals for your schedule or service duration. You will be able to configure your time settings in multiples of the time frame that your account is using. The time format dropdown allows toggling between a 12 or 24-hour clock. Enabling show end time will display end and start time for each slot. The reviews count dropdown menu will determine how many reviews are displayed at a time on your reviews page. You can set display item mode to list or block, depending how you want your services, providers, classes, categories, and locations to be displayed. The main page mode allows you to choose what items are displayed on your booking page. This drop-down menu offers a number of layouts combining various configurations of company description, working hours, and contacts. The Hide Images on Booking Steps checkbox will allow you to hide service, provider, and class images if you're not using any. Display Timeline sidebar will toggle if the selected service and provider are displayed beside the calendar. Right to left can be enabled if you're using a language that requires right to left writing. Lastly, let's take a quick look at the Homepage tab. The area on the left is designated for the company description. You can add HTML items and formatting to this description using the icons on top. Custom working hours allows you to set up a company schedule that is different from the one configured in time settings. This option can be useful when your opening hours need to be different from the times that are available for booking. We hope you found this video helpful. You can find more tutorials like this on our YouTube channel. Please do not hesitate to like and subscribe, as well as check the links in the description to follow our social media pages. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.